The Romans. The Romans came to the Iberian Peninsula in 218 before Christ and called the land Hispania. Scipio Africanus captured Cartagena from the Carthaginians and then conquered the rest of the Iberian Peninsula by 206 before Christ. Viriato was the leader of the province of Lusitania, Portugal and Extremadura in 200 before Christ. During the Celto-Iberian Wars, from 181 to 133 before Christ, the Romans decided to lay siege to Numancia. After 8 months, many Numancians decided to burn the city down instead of surrendering to the Romans.